Many Utahns suffer from neurological disorders and they don't even know it.
One woman's story shows just how dangerous it can be to ignore the symptoms. Amanda Decho has more.
Louise Miller had just gone to a funeral
One of my best friends had been buried that day.
when she had her own brush with mortality.
Muscles in my neck wouldn't let my head stay up. It would clunk down. I was slurring my words. I couldn't swallow. I was so ill, and I didn't know I was in a crisis. I didn't realize what a crisis was.
A life-saving effort brought her to the ER at Intermountain Medical Center.
Louise's symptoms and diagnosis falls into the neuromuscular specialty,
where neurologist Dr. Chloe Juan helped her deal with a disease that changed her life. It's called myasthenia gravis, where muscles get weaker with activity.
I don't get to do as many things. I have to let my husband do some things and some of my children. It's hard to ask someone else to carry your purse. It's hard to slow down.
I think Louise is a very sweet person, and she is actually very motivated and very positive, which is helpful in trying to get back on her feet.
Dr. Juan's specialized training in neuromuscular disorders not only allows her to better care for patients like Louise.
They call it bedside manner. It's so wonderful. It's so important to be treated kindly.
But also ranks her among the highly credentialed staff in Intermountain Medical Center's neuroscience services.
Because it's a regional referral center, most of the services at our hospital require a high degree of skill, education, and selection for employment.
And because neurological disorders are so multifaceted, the medical center offers services ranging from diagnosis to rehab to counseling.
I think we have a good facility in terms of having several specialties that can work together. I think the foremost is to receive the correct diagnosis, and that's what the treatment afterwards will be hinged upon.
As for Louise, she has her good days.
So if I have some energy, I'll take time to sit and play the organ or do an oil painting or something like that.
And her bad days.
Sometimes I can't even do the dishes.
And learned a hard lesson on her quest for diagnosis.
You go until you find someone who will treat you properly.
But through it all is the peace that comes with knowing she's not alone.
I have great doctors. I feel so confident now. And I know if I call, I'm going to be taken care of.
Well, just like with Louise, being diagnosed with a neurological disorder can drastically change your life.
But by offering a one-stop shop that includes treatment, rehabilitation, and even counseling, Intermountain Medical Center helps make it just that much easier. So to find out more, you can go to their website, intermountainhealthcare.org.
Yep, good luck to Louise.